blam boys, motherfucking blam boys. I'm gonna put some seasoning on that shit. You gotta give them a really good ooh-woo. Ooh-woo? 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 I died halfway through. Ooh-woo?
You missed Alex talking about his dummy thick cheeks or something?
Oh.
Send pics? No one saw anything.
Yeah.
Check out gangbang. No. Thanks for keeping me together, I guess. You know, all 5 personalities. What are you doing, Steph, bro? Funny-chan! You know when her thighs are so big, you just want to squish?
What's the advantage for you sucking someone else's dick?
Protein. Power. He is a chunky boy. He is the best chunky boy. My lizard's better content.
Put him on the mic.
He'll probably just bite it.
That's good content.
That's good content.
Send $10 if you want a titty pic. Oh, Capitão's coming in. Capitão's coming in.
Coming.
He gonna come inside. He's coming through the window. He's coming through the window. Hey, banana.
I'm already
Hey, banana. Na every day. Y'all go down there and get yourself killed. I'm gonna be a sneaky sneak.
Nice.
Don't fucking watch that. Don't fucking watch
that.
I
have to watch it twice.
Nice. You gotta do what you gotta do.
I mean... Roar? Banana bus. Banana bus. Shit, bitch ass, motherfucking cocksucker.
You got him.
Me!
That's right.
I have diffuser on me.
Anybody know where diffuser is?
I love a little food play, you know. Oh, hey. Motherfucker, I've had a migraine all day, and then you come at me with a, you know, maybe we'll be playing.
Hey Cam, what the f***
Yeah,
is
Fucking jacking off.
No, that's ranch.
what real ranch sounds like.
Okay, well stop jacking off your ranch. She got a big booty. I'm ready to die first. Are you guys ready to die first? I'm ready to die first. No,
well,
man,
only
I
one
lost
of
my
us
tweet
can die
stick.
first.
Me. That sounds hot. Place
Okay.
a dildo here.
How about you dildo?
Dildo here.
This is a Christian server, can you please stop?
Dildos. Ah, fuck. Wubba-lubba-dub-dub. Let me just go fucking die real quick. Just a quick hit.
Whatever it takes. Oh.
Oh. No more thermite. Go fuck yourself. I didn't like that. French kiss or Australian kiss?
What's the difference?
Australian kiss is like a French kiss, but it's down under. Love me a good old Australian kiss.
It's straight up bulges.
Yeah, and it looks like it too. I heard something about tattoos and I am now interested. I wish my grandma died. I'm watching Minecraft, bitches. Leave me alone. I'm still watching Minecraft. I'm an hour into the video.
Good lord.
I hate my life. Pickles. I was on that with baseball, you know, like I was on that same mindset, and then all of a sudden he whips out the scorpion and just jizzes all over himself. You know, that's not to be expected when you're playing ball. He has persistent genital arousal syndrome.
What a syndrome.
Your syndrome, that's what. Okay, you know what? For honor, can suck my balls.
Hey.
No, I don't have balls. Only most wholesome content here on this channel.
Amen.
Why was I kicked from the game?
We decided no more girls.